We don't have to emphasize the point that the automotive industry is going all electric. Earlier, electric vehicles were used extensively in manufacturing plants for material handling and stocking purposes. Then they entered to the highly competitive and demanding supercars and passenger car segments. Despite the challenges, they were hugely welcomed and loved by the customers and governments all around the globe due to their unique characteristics. Now they are take over the skies and waters, and futuristic electric planes and yachts being developed. The freight movement industry is also expected to have a phase shift that several automobile giants and startups are working their way into the highly profitable yet challenging job of electrifying the logistic industry. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 5 electric truck companies in the world that have a potential to electrify the logistic industry. The number 1 in the list is BYD. Unlike other firms aiming to challenge the long-haul trucking market, BYD is focusing on the short-haul cargo movement business, especially on the United States ports, rail yards, and freight handling facilities. BYD is based in China and has offices and an assembling facility in California. In terms of vehicle production, BYD is the world's largest EV manufacturer, including buses, forklifts, cars, and rail systems. This includes a Class 8 cab with long-range battery, a Class 6 truck, a terminal tractor, and 2 all-electric refuse trucks. What makes BYD the first in the list of top 5 electric truck companies in the world is their amazing truck portfolio. Using BYD trucks in Class 5 to 7 weight segments, the firm currently sells medium-duty step vans. It makes a Class 6 garbage truck and Class 8 tractors for the short-haul goods movement market. Its step vans were built as a part of pilot project with UPS, a delivery giant, which opens up a major potential market. BYD has both a technological edge and price competence, as it is already a pioneer in the industry, and we can count on them in the producing the best electric trucks in the world. The second one in the list is Daimler Trucks. In 2018, the Daimler, the world's largest truck manufacturer, unveiled the Freightliner E-Cascadia, an all-electric 18-wheeler. The big rig was designed for regional transportation and port operation and has a 250-mile span. The Freightliner EM2106, Daimler's other all-electric model, has a 230-mile range and is designed for more local deliveries. The Daimler has certain advantages on the race, and they are the following. They are already the market leaders. For them, it would be easy to find and get into the market opportunities. They have strong financial and technical backup. The third one in the list is Change. With a focus on the last mile operations, Change, a Los Angeles-based Chinese backend startup, has started to gain momentum and growth in the industry with their V8100 model. Change's V8100 electric medium-duty panel van, which is approximately 30 feet long, can accommodate a 3-ton payload. Furthermore, the van's lithium-ion battery pack will have a 150-mile range. That's more than twice the amount of miles most commercial delivery vans travels in a day, according to the group. Even though it's a startup, Change has already got some wins. Their V8100s are already on the roads. Ryder System announced it would buy 900 of Change's Class 5 electric vans to lease for FedEx. Having their vehicles already on the road and getting direct entry to the last mile operations through FedEx on a large scale, Change has all potential to make it into the list of top 5 electric truck companies in the world. The fourth one in the list is Nikola Motors. Nikola Motors, a Phoenix-based startup, has already got its hands on the market with its futuristic long-haul truck lineup and has emerged as the leader in the domain over the last 5 years. Their current models, Nikola 1 and Nikola 2, are designed for North American roads, while Nikola Tre is designed for Asia, Australia, and Europe. Each semi-truck will be available in either fully electric or hydrogen fuel cell electric versions, with ranges ranging from 500 to 700 miles. For any of the semi-truck types, the company has to officially announce the exact pricing. What makes Nikola one of the top 5 electric truck companies in the world are its business model and hydrogen fuel cells. There are pretty big advantages hydrogen cells has over lithium-ion batteries. A few of them are the hydrogen cells are renewable and readily available. The second one is the fast charging times. Hydrogen cells are fueled in a manner similar to that of an IC engine. Hydrogen cells' weight will be reduced as it is being consumed, thus gives more range. The fifth one in the list is Volvo. Volvo Trucks has produced the VNR Electric, a zero-emission truck designed for regional use in North America. According to reports, the company started highway road testing in 2019 and launched commercial production and distribution in late 2020. In North America, the VNR is now commercially available. The Volvo VNR Electric is planned for local and regional delivery ranges as well as consumer applications and driving cycles. Based on the truck's design, The 264 kilowatt of lithium-ion batteries can charge up to 80% in 70 minutes and have a range of up to 240 kilometers. Volvo has the great legacy for providing the best quality and top-of-the-notch safety measures to its truck, and it will certainly be reflected on the VNR Electric as well. The company has many testimonials from the drivers on their website stating it's the best truck that they have ever driven in terms of safety, economical sense and riding pleasure. There are some other companies who are manufacturing electric trucks. Can you name some of them? Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please tap the like button if you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting electric vehicle related videos. We have a video about the top 5 electric vehicle technologies that you have to keep an eye on. The video is in the end screen and I will provide the link in the description as well. Do watch that video and see you there.